G'day everyone, Tim from High Pressure Cleaning Gold Coast. Just showing you one of our bits of equipment today. This is our, we always keep in the toolbox, a little piece of arsenal. This is called the sludge sucker. Obviously this is some hosing here, which goes onto the end of it here. How this works is you just use your standard high pressure quick connect onto here, whether it be a gun or straight onto the hose. We just normally put the hose on there. This is an extremely powerful device for sucking up. If you have a look on the bottom here, anything that can get up either side there, this will suck up small debris, whether it be screws, small rocks, mud, sludge. We use it in areas that you simply can't get out, get the excess runoff away, especially where it's something that's quite thick and heavy. This is custom made from Pulse Power on the Gold Coast. If you need one of these, give Craig a call. He can make one up for you, but fantastic to have in the arsenal for that time when you cannot get the sludge away. Cheers.